What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the refurbished Galaxy Note 8. I got it on eBay. It was a really good price. And let's see. Just give me 1 second. And the mail. Okay, so this is the refurbished Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Guys, it was really good price. You know, I had refurbished products from like Apple, whether it's iPhone, MacBook. I never had problems. It's just basically new. I got it like very good condition. You can't choose, and if you choose like less, the price will drop down. But I don't know, we'll just unbox it and let's see how is it. So you just put this, the Samsung. So here, just and with this. Let's see what else in the box. You know, and the refurbished products, they don't come in the like original boxes, you know, sometimes. But this one, it's on the box. Got everything. Looks like no SIM ejector though. We have here some booklets. We got the adapter for the power brick. It's come with a black color. I wish Apple does that, but it's always white. And we got the charging cable. I guess no headphones. So no headphones. That's fine. But like I said, I don't know if it will come with the headphones if I order from the Samsung website. I'm looking at the phone. There is no any problems that I see, like cracks or something like that. You know, it's refurbished, it's basically new, but sometimes you get refurbished, there's some scratches, stuff like that. But on this one, there is nothing. Here's the S Pen. I never owned a Galaxy Note, so let's power this on. Powered by Android. Guys, I went with the black one. It's really cool, all black. But it's weird, no any protection on the front and the back. But I wasn't expecting coming with the box, the original box. So I gotta like unlock, so you can use it, AT&T, T-Mobile, you know, all that. The screen is incredible. So English. Skip. I'm gonna log into my password. No AKG headphones, but it's okay. AKG headphones is, they are saying like it's like $100. I never checked, but I wouldn't spend like $100 for that kind of headphones. So set up face recognition, set up iris scanners. I'm gonna set so let's set the face recognition then. So Set this option. Hide content, notification icons only. Next. Right, house up. Drive. No. Agree. Send system data. Meet your Google Assistant. No thanks. I don't want to restart. Okay. Skip this. Now the phone is cooler. I think it was in the sun. You know, it's really hot outside. So, but now it's nice, cool. Please insert SIM. Can we skip that? Come on. All done. And here we go. Wow, guys. This thing is so beautiful. Samsung Galaxy Note 8. I was using iPhone. I switched back to S7 Edge. I had enough with iPhones. But, you know, when I was using the Samsung, I wanted to go back to iPhone. But I gotta give props, you know. I used to hate Samsung or Android, but now they're good as iPhones, even better. You know, I had the Google Pixel, which has the best camera. And the Samsung is really good, you know. So I have like a bunch of iPhones. So I want to sell one of them and get the Galaxy Note 8. You know, I was thinking about Google Pixel 2 XL, but it's too expensive, even the used ones, the refurbished ones. So I just went with the Note 8 because I didn't go with the Galaxy S8 Plus because it's too curvy. You know, it's cool, but I like the square phone. I don't mind my iPhone X, you know, but I like this feel, you know, the way it looks, you know, square, and it's bigger. I think it was 6.3 inches. So I'm gonna play with it. I will update you guys if there's any problems, but I don't think so. It's manufactured, refurbished, Galaxy Note 8. Never had problems with it. So, and you want to save some couple $100, you can definitely go for it. I had refurbished MacBook Pro, never had issues so far, and some of the iPhones. This screen is incredible. The infinity display. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. I see you guys on the next one. Peace.